Mainit-init na chismis. Tingin ng iba, bulag daw si Donnie. Bakit daw niya pinili si Bel Mariano? Ito nga ang detalye sa kanyang pag-amin. Sabi ni Donnie, kung alam lang nila kung paano ako mahalin ni Bel Mariano, maiintindi nila kung bakit siya palagi. To them, it doesn't make sense. Siguro iniisip nila, bakit siya? Bakit hindi iba? Maybe they think I'm blinded. Maybe they think I deserve someone better. Pero ang hindi nila alam, she loved me in ways na hindi nila kayang ibigay. They don't see how you remember the small things, how you stay when everything feels heavy, how your love feels like home in a world that doesn't. Kasi for me, you're the standards. Kasi naranasan ko sa'yo yung peace, consistency, and sincerity, and all of those, you're more than enough. So kahit anong sabihin ng iba, kahit ilang beses pa nilang questionin, kahit paulit-ulit nilang ituro yung kulang at mali, the answer will always be simple. It will always be Bel. Bel, Bel, Bel.